Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson number 11, and the name of the lesson is Person of the Century. Now, when I am saying about the person of the century, particularly I refer to the famous scientist Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German physicist of the 20th century. He was the person who was declared the person of the century by the Time magazine. Now you know Time magazine is one of the most world circulated weekly magazine, and he was in that magazine he was declared the person of the century. Century means 20th century. Albert Einstein was born to a Jewish couple on March 14, 1879. Though he is known as the genius of science, but the strange fact is that he was a very slow learner. Slow learner, do you understand the meaning of slow learner? Slow learner means he cannot catch very fast. He take time, he thinks a lot, and then only he come to the conclusion. As a result of which his headmaster expelled him from the school, saying that he cannot be an achiever in life. That means the headmaster said that he cannot do anything in his life. And for that reason, Albert was very disheartened. He felt very sad, but he did not give hope. Though he was slow in learning, and he know how to speak as a child. But he had full faith in himself that he will do something in his future. When Albert Einstein was 5 years old, his father gave him a compass, a small compass which you have in the geometry box. And he was so curious to know what is the significance of that particular compass. And he wanted to know about space, he wanted to know about time. And after getting the compass, his interest became more. And he puzzled over the nature of magnetic field for the rest of his life. At the age of 16, he wrote his first research paper, and he took also lessons in music, playing violin and piano, and until he became an adult. That means he had a passion for all. He had a passion for music. He had a passion for all. In spite of learning part also he had a passion, music also, and everything. So this is what is for today. So I stop my lesson as time is running short. We will continue with in the next chapter, in the next class. Thank you.